everybody, welcome to our channel Wanna Be a Supermom. So today we are gonna declutter and organize Mishi's toys. Okay, so can you see the particular box over there? So we actually made it, it's a customized shoe rack. I saw that in Pinterest and we made it, customized it. So what I thought, okay, let us convert this particular wardrobe in a Mishi's toy rack so that she will spend more of her time by playing toys. So initially when I was keeping all her toys inside, there's one more rack, she was not playing that much with her toys. And she was always playing, seeing computer or TV or with YouTube in phone. Yes, phone. So later on when I got this and when I transferred or converted this particular shoe rack into her toy box, she started playing so much with the toys. So what I'm coming to say is, make sure that your kids are playing with the toys as much as possible than they play with the the gadgets which has come now. So for that you can make their toy rack so accessible to them that they should take all the toys by themselves and keep it in the same way like how arranged for them. So I'm going to show you, because initially I was just keeping all the toys just like that randomly, but recently I went and got some boxes or some tray for her so that I can organize each and every toys in that particular box or in that particular rack, so that every time she takes one tray and she can play with that and immediately she can keep that particular tray to the place which has been allotted for it. So let me show you how this particular rack looks like. So if you can see, it has, one, two, three, four, five, six. The last one is in the down one. So 6 rack in it, and they are not having that much of space because, as I told you, it is made on for the shoes. So I have to keep a basket which can appropriately go inside these racks. So these are the box which I got it for $1.99. It is a kind of three, not box again, it's a tray, and I got 3 trays. One, the small one, this is the medium size, and the bigger one. This actually goes perfectly inside these rack. I've got it in 2 colors, this green color and this blue, so that I can do a proper differentiation. So I'm not going to keep everything inside these baskets or can be a tray. I'm going to keep the things which is like a kind of loose she takes every time. So yeah, I'm just going to show you how many toys she has. So these are all her toys. Just random toys which she play daily. And I don't have the soft toys here. I have kept it upstairs because I cannot keep all the soft toys down, because usually in India, I don't know about abroad, in India, when you keep all the soft toys out like teddy bear and everything, it looks good, but at the same time it will get covered with so much of dust and so many mosquitoes sits on it. How we're going to declutter is, we will declutter according to her usage, the one which she used, and one which she's not using anymore, I'll be giving it to somebody who requires it. So let's start organizing my baby's toy rack. Bifurcated. She has so many kitchen sets. So in this first box or first basket, the cover or the net cover which I got while getting this basket, I have taken that, and in the same I have bifurcated the kitchen set, one in steel and one in the plastic one. She has so many kitchen sets, and more of kitchen sets are there in her toys. And again, this basket which she had earlier, in this again she has some plastic, then wooden one, and then plastic one. She can very well take whichever kitchen set she wants from this one. And again, the small one, she has only 2 Barbie dolls, so I've kept the Barbie dolls with the accessories which comes with this Barbie dolls in the small box. For these, I have not organized them in the plastic box. I've just kept as such it was, and all those things as such. And in this particular box, I have kept all her clay as well as the tools which is required for her clay work. Yeah. And in this particular box, her vegetable cutting board, vegetables and everything, the small one. And in this box, I've kept all her gadgets, iPad, toy iPad, some of her old phones from which, like with which she plays. And in this particular box, this is random because she don't play that much, so I've kept it like that. In this particular box, all the toys which is related to her school or learning. A kind of, in this cover, I have kept a ABCD puzzles, and this is a what is this? This is a rhyme telling toy. Okay, so that's there. And again, in this box, I've kept some magnetic ABCD alphabets. And in the down part, I have kept these 1, 2, 3 puzzles. So these are all the random things which I cannot keep it in the box, so I'll be keeping it then and there. So yeah, let me organize it in that particular shelf. In the upper part, I used to keep the normal keys and everything. Only these part is where I keep her toys. So let me organize that, and after that I'll show you. Keep on watching. Organized all, if you can see. Yeah, the upper portion has her school bag, and this cover has her caps, her whatever cap she wear while going to school and everything, her random bag and some random purse which she plays. And as I told you, I have kept all the baskets on the first and second and third rack, and fourth rack I have kept all the things which is related to animals. And in the last one, I've kept all the puzzles as well as her doctor set, and the last one, some of her toys, soft toys. So that's it. So only for the top portion which I have used for keeping her bags, because I didn't get any other place. So I thought, okay, because I'm using the whole rack for her, so I thought let me keep her bags over here rather than keeping her books. Okay, so I've kept all her bags over here. So I'm really sorry for the bad lighting, because after finishing all the cleaning, we started around 4 o'clock and now it's around 6 o'clock and it's getting darker and darker, and that is the reason the lighting is so bad. So at last it's done, and I hope that this is going to be so useful for all of you out there who always feel that how do we organize our kids toys, and it will be so messy around our house. Every nook and corner we will have our kids toys. So by this way you can very well organize your kids toys, as well as you can very well save your time too. So I hope that you all liked it. If you really like this video, please do give a big thumbs up, and please do subscribe to our channel if you are new to our channel. And that's it. And please do share our video if you really liked it. So yes,